So whenever you take a selfie or selfie video on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, you find out it looks reversed. Now this option is called the Camera Selfie Mirror Effect. So if you want to turn it off or on, let's go ahead and see where you can do it from your camera settings. So for that, let's open up the camera app, tap on this 4 dot, from there to this full icon or settings, scroll down just a bit, and under selfies, there's an option called Save Selfies as Previewed. So for example, if you like the mirror effect, keep this option turned off. But if you want to take a selfie as it is with your original gesture and posture, you can keep this option turned on. But please make sure if you're shooting text, in this case, the text will flip. So be careful about that. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.